Good morning. Another nice spring day is in the forecast under bright skies, and the afternoon will be as mild as yesterday. But the air quality will improve in the capital and Chungcheong-do Provinces by the afternoon. The air is getting drier though, and dry weather alerts have been issued across inland regions, including here in the capital. And wildfire danger levels are very high across country. And at this level, fires could start easily, so be careful of anything that could start a fire. Highs will rise quickly under sunny skies today with high UV rays. And Seoul will be topping out at 16 degrees Celsius, Jeju at 18 degrees with very high UV levels expected on the island. Morning rain is in the forecast on Thursday in the west of central regions and Jeolla-do Provinces, although there will not be enough rain to help relieve the dryness. Then it will only get warmer, topping out at 23 degrees Celsius here in the capital. With that, here's a look at the weather conditions around the globe.